The battle of epic proportions. Richard versus the other stupid parrot.
Oh yeah.
Oh, domination.
It's not good enough. This is a battle.
I know. Like Richard just smacks him in the face with it. This is a brilliant idea by me. Should we put them in timeout if they don't cooperate?
Where's timeout? In that. Just put them in the cage.
Chloe's trying to get us over there by saying there's the cutest Welsh corgi. Too bad she doesn't know what's going on over here. I don't think I'll let her see this video either.
Ooh.
Just out of spite. Richard's just dominating. They could be at this all night.
They probably will be. I wouldn't doubt it.
Let's see if this one's developed any new tactics this time. Like it's scared. It will not concede defeat though.
It's like, I'm just gonna eat your food. How do you like that shit?
What if I took it from Richard and gave it to the other one and saw if Richard went after it? No, never mind.
I'm really scared. He's gonna attack me.
This is his only brain stimulation. Everything else is not really that brain stimulating. He's playing hard to get.
He needs food.
Developing strategy. I'm liking where this is going. It's bashing its head into the food bowl. Pardon me, sir. May I please play with that toy? No. This is my toy. I like chewing on it and chewing on it more. Yeah. Let me fluff my feathers at you.
Richard's so dumb.
May I have it, Richard? No?
Take it.
Yes. Let the battle commence.
Oh.
Oh, Richard has a new strategy, using his foot. Too bad that fell on its face. You're missing the battle. They're fighting over this. It's really funny. This has been going on for like 4 minutes now. Look, that one give me a death stare. Laura's challenging Richard. Laura knows not the power of Richard.
Oh, you just gave it to me. It's like a give up.
There you go. Oh, it's on.
See Richard's face? He's like, ah.
Oh, they sing that in Music Maker's last year too.
Really?
A cappella version of it.
Why?
And
Stars out of her.
and for this,
Whoa!
instead of saying doo-doo-doo, we said patty loose, like patty doo.
That one's going after Richard's eyes.
Oh shit.
We just started Parrot War 1.
A huge battle.
It just keeps going back.
Look at that bone.
Oh my god, I didn't even see the bone.
The bone.
Richard just did a hula hoop.